Hello, my name is Teresita Reyes, and this is my Learner's Growth activity. The student that I chose is a male 6th grade student. He comes from Guatemala, and he had interrupted schooling. This is his first year in school in the United States. His native language is Quiche and speaks some Spanish. I tested him using the Greenbush CalPod instruction, and the instructions were easy to follow. I also have had training before because I administer the KELPA to all my students. He scored very low. For the speaking part, his answers were somewhat appropriate, but not in complete sentences. Some errors affected the meaning of what he was trying to say. In the writing part, the 5 different parts in the rubric, the first one, vocabulary, he wrote some phrases and isolated words. His vocabulary is limited and had errors to make communication difficult. In the sentence fluency part, there are no complete sentences in his writing, and the sentences that he tried to do were awkward. For grammar, his writing contained many errors that didn't help with the understanding. The mechanics, he didn't have many capitalization or punctuation, and he made a lot of mistakes, of spelling mistakes that changed the meaning of words, and so the content was not what he wanted to say. The organization and the development, for his writing, he didn't had a main idea. As I said, it was mostly phrases and isolated words. So what this information tells me is that he's at the beginning fluency level, and he needs a lot of basic skills like vocabulary, capitalization, punctuation, basic sentence structure. So based on that, I would start with increasing his vocabulary with different strategies. One that I like to use is the linking language, and that uses their prior knowledge, and it creates a bridge to help them link the new vocabulary. Once we understand we have some new vocabulary, we'll use those words to create simple sentences, and we'll focus on structure and appropriate mechanics. Once we have all those basics, we could start scaffolding and start developing a better language, and that way his skills will get a little bit better. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, let me know.